So here is what is residual from the top of the screen after pouring the oil through there. You can kind of hardly see it, but when looking at where the camera tries to autofocus here, some of what you see is actually white paint from the filter cartridge itself. It was one of those cheap Jiffy Lube brand filters. Now, when looking at the particulates that came out of there, this one here, that is a relatively large piece of metal. Let's see if I can get a focus on that. Yeah. I mean, you can see though, it's big enough to fit on the end of my finger here. It's a solid mass. It's not very pliable. Very similar to that of aluminum. And then the residual is just, I mean, just trace splinters. It's nothing I want to see in my oil after an oil change, but obviously there's a lot of carbon, a lot of sediments built up, probably a poorly maintained engine. But just given that chunk there and some of the glittery shimmer that we got on the top of this white t-shirt here, I'm going to say it's pretty conclusive something in that timing let loose. So that sums that up. Stay tuned. Here comes a motor.